Welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Now, Bacchanal Beach Juve happened on Saturday at the Grizzlies Plantation Cove in St. Anne. The Paint Fete featured DJ Lantern, DJ Nico and DJ Tyler, who was led by Patrick the Hype Man. Headliner Kes the band was welcomed by the large crowd dancing to their 2018 hit track, Hello. Kes had fans singing along to every song as they ran through the band's extensive catalogue.
We now waiting for the stage. We now waiting for the stage to mess me head. What we gonna do? Get mad. Get mad. What's that? Nadia. Hey. Destra. Hype up yourself. Get mad. You ready? Get mad. Hype up yourself. Get mad. We know Bacchanal. Look, the trucks here now. The drinks here now.
Oh, you just gotta give thanks, at least, you know what I mean? We constantly working at our craft every year. We aim to get tighter, aim to get better, aim to get clearer. So I'm very happy that this year, you know, the fire was there still. We must always be working, and as artists, we always working. We like to mingle, you know? So, you know, interactive performance. So I will be on the truck, I'll be off the truck. Let's just have a good time.
He also gave the patrons a treat as he showed off his versatility, performing a medley of dancehall classics from Beanie Man, Mr. Vegas, Bounty Killer, and others.
What's it? Well, if you're better for your boyfriend, let him go. And if your boyfriend not in it, well, if they hide it, must be in it, and we hear. You remember me songs like this? Yo! Well, I say easy, Mr. Catter, me say easy lover. Easy, Mr. Catter, me say. Oh, I remember this shot? Listen. The engine one you spark plug. And your wawa, do me and you are rhythm to dance your bado. Hey, olio.
Kes the band will join Bacchanal Jamaica on the road for the anticipated road march this Sunday. See you then. Dancehall artist Chin Ching has teamed up with African acts Pat Rankin, Stone Boy, and American entertainer Fatman Scoop for the release of his Rock the World remix. The remix comes off the heels of the major success and recognition of the Rock the World single, which he has gotten while he was on tour with Sean Paul. The track was officially released by Sean Paul's Dirty Rock Productions label, to which Ching Ching is now signed. The viral song garnered so much attention that Canadian video producer Karen Khan took the lead in the music video. Rock the World is the first track released off his anticipated album Turning Tables, produced by Dirty Rock Productions. The album is in the final stages of production and will be released soon. Dancehall artist Version has released the first official EP titled One More Day. The EP features tracks such as Winter Fresh, Champion Queffer, Idle Badness, and What I Know About. One More Day also features appearances from Governor, Gotta Yo, and Ghanaian dancehall artist Jupiter. The album boasts creative contributions from producers like Real Queffer Records, Kim's Media House, Silverbirds Records, Damage Music, YGF Records, and Friends for Real Studio. The EP is just a taste of what's to come, as Version will be releasing another body of work in the form of an album at the end of this year. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.